Hi, Javier with LiveWell Mattress. If you're watching this video, it's because you've got interest in getting a new mattress. You're either A, sleeping on a mattress that has body indentations in it that you know which side of the bed is yours because you automatically roll into it, or B, you're waking up with a lot of back pain, neck pain, hip pain, shoulder pain, just regular pain because your mattress is not fitting you well anymore. It's very confusing when you start going mattress shopping. You don't know who to trust and you don't know what's true and what's not. You're making a big investment and you want to make sure that you're making it the right way. At LiveWell Mattress, we are here to guide you and to fit you into the right mattresses. I've made this video with our most common questions to answer the quick ones, the ones that you just need answered right now before you even start. If it helps, or if you need more information, please feel free to email us. Please feel free to call us, or even better, just visit us at the store to see how we go about to fit you to the right mattress. Here are the most common questions. One of our most common questions is, can you help me if I have serious back issues? This comes from people that have rods in their back, they have been in an auto accident, they're walking around in general pain with their back. It's very hard to address these issues, but I can tell you that we have years of experience helping people. Anyone from fibromyalgia to rods in their backs to somebody that has a serious neck issue. We can help. We have the experience to help you and to fit you to the right mattress. While we're not offering medical advice, we do have the experience and the training to be able to fit you to the right foams, to the right feel of bed that will help you with your posture and help you lay the right way so that way you're not in pain all the time. We have mattresses with specialty foams, we have special construction mattresses, we have adjustable bases, we have pillows that will fit your neck the right way. We have the training and the know-how to be able to fit you to the right mattress and help you abate some of that pain that you're dealing with. Another common question is, do we carry memory foam mattresses? This tends to come from people that have seen my videos on YouTube and see how I prefer a latex mattress to a memory foam. While I am very biased towards a latex mattress, that doesn't mean that we don't have memory foam in store. We have the mattresses that our customers have asked for or that our customers need. We have mattresses that can cover somebody with a back injury or somebody with a sore back. And we also have memory foam for folks that just prefer memory foam. We aren't limited to any style. We have what you need and what you're looking for. The differences being that we actually fit you to the mattress so that way you're not walking out of here questioning whether this mattress is for you long term. We will fit you and make sure your posture is correct. We'll make sure that you're not feeling any pressure points, and you're going to walk away knowing that the mattress you have is going to last you for many years to come. One of the most important questions we get is about bed height. Some people have really tall furniture pieces that raises the bed really high. Can we control that bed height? The answer to that question is yes. What we can do is we have options such as bunkie boards, we have low profile foundations, and we have a regular 9-inch foundation. We have options to raise or lower that bed to make it safe for you. The proper bed height, what we've experienced and what we've seen and researched is the proper bed height is right at the bottom of your glute muscle, right at the bottom of your butt muscle, okay? When it's hitting that muscle right there, that's when you know it's the proper bed height. You're not having to squat into bed and you're not having to climb into bed. It's safer, it will keep you from injury, and you'll be happy in the long run. One of the really common questions at the checkout process is, how do I get rid of my old mattress? Well, part of our delivery service is actually getting rid of your old mattress. If your mattress happens to be in good shape, we donate those to local charities and local nonprofits. That way your mattress can help others in need. If your mattress is in bad shape, that doesn't mean it goes to waste either. We have people that pick up the old mattresses and take them to be recycled. They take the metal out, they take the foams out, recycle those materials, and reuse what they can. Our delivery process not only gets rid of your old mattress, but when we leave your house, you are left with a mattress that is ready to put the protector and sheets on, and you are ready to go from the minute we step out of the door. We get asked about whether we finance or whether we have payment plans for our customers. The answer is yes. We have multiple financing partners such as Synchrony and Koalify and Acima. We also have a layaway plan, which is a 6-month layaway plan with a 10% down. If you're interested in any of these, please see our website for details or give us a call here at the store. We fit you to a mattress. You are totally excited because we found one that's supporting you right. Now the next question is, how long does it take to get it? While we do stock a lot of our mattresses, there are many times when we will have to order it. Ordering for us takes approximately a week. We order on a Monday, we get it the following Monday, we are delivering by Tuesday. Barring any issues with shipping or with materials or anything having to do with tariffs or anything that's outside of our control, the normal wait time is about a week. Most find that gives them time to clean underneath their bed. Yeah, that happens. That's an issue. So, if you have any questions about the wait time, please let us know. We are glad to field those questions and to help you know when your mattress is going to get here. So there you have it. Those are our most common questions. So what's the next step? The next step is come into LiveWell Mattress. Let us fit you to the right mattress. Know that the investment you're making in your next mattress is the right investment in a mattress that's going to last you many years and help you sleep through many nights and wake up pain-free.